So I've just found a brand new side hustle that no one is talking about, which is going to help a lot of you guys to make your first $1,000 online with affiliate marketing in 2023. And it's super easy to get started. I'm going to show you how you can use the powerful AI bot ChatGPT to make money online as a complete beginner, and the best part is you don't have to show your face and it requires no skills.
First, I want to start off and say that I don't think this is a terrible idea, but I don't think it's a good idea, or I think you can spend your time more wisely. Because the idea of making free money using ChatGPT and the rest of the strategy that you're going to see in this video, in my opinion, is better spent on developing the skills and building those skills on your own platform or on your own property.
Alright, so what I'm going to show you guys in this video is how to promote books. So the first things I want to do is head over to a site called audible.com. Why books? Well, because a lot of people read books, and even so, a lot of people listen to books, right? So audible.com is a great place to subscribe and listen to a lot of your favorite books. And the cool thing is that Audible actually have an affiliate program.
And here we are. So the concept here is, for the easy ChatGPT side hustle affiliate marketing 2023, is to promote Audible books as an affiliate, which all in all, I don't think is an issue at all. Again, like I said, not a terrible idea, but I think there's better ways to spend your time. But let's take a look and see what the rest of the strategy is, so we can see, honestly, is this the best way that we could spend our time to promote these books on Audible? But before we do that, let's take a look at the Audible, or the requirements to join the Audible Amazon affiliate program. So here we are on the Audible website. Of course, Audible being an Amazon company, you can see here that you can promote Audible through your Amazon Associates account. And all you need to do is drive traffic. And that's the idea, the concept here that we're going to see later on, how to generate this traffic to the Audible Creator Program. And of course, the standard structure down here, or the standard fee structure, is you can make $10 for each Audible Gold digital membership. You can make $5 for the Audible free trial digital membership, and you get paid 50 cents per Audible book. But the idea here is you need to become an affiliate, and it looks like they have two ways here. They have the Amazon Associates program, or they have what is called the Creator Program. So here you can see in the Creator Program, you can make money with a free offer for your listeners. Get $15 for each trial membership you generate. How the offer works. And you can see here you can promote a 30-day free trial, and it's all about earning these commissions for promoting these Audible books, or for the books that people are going to listen to on Audible, just like we saw in the video. But before we go any further, let's go ahead and take a look at the Amazon affiliate program. Of course, sign up, recommend, and earn. It is the affiliate program you'll be joining if you want to promote these Audible books. The idea here is, how do I qualify for this program? Everybody already knows that to qualify for the program, you need to be a blogger, a publisher, or a content creator, and you have to have a qualifying website or mobile app to participate in this program. Also have the influencer program here. So if you have an established social media following, you can also qualify for the Amazon affiliate program, or to become Amazon associate and therefore join in and promote these Amazon Audible books. So at this point, let's go back to the video and see what is up next for this strategy.
Do is head over to ChatGPT. It's chat.openai.
And here we go. It's going to be the same old, same old. Go to chat.open.ai.com, get a free ChatGPT account, create a summary of these books. You can see what he's doing here in the video. Can you give me the top 10 self-help books? And then he's going to say, okay, these are the top 10 books. I'm going to create an article about these books.
.com. I'm pretty sure you already heard of it. Just create yourself a free account. Now, for the sake of this video, I actually chosen the self-help niche, but you can choose any niche that you like. Top 10 self-help books. So I like this one right here, the number 7. So all I'm going to do is just copy the title and head over to audible.com and actually just check if the book is available. So I just do a quick search, back to ChatGPT right here, and then I'm going to tell ChatGPT, can you create a 2,000 word summary of the book, and then the book name by the author.
So here we are back with this idea. We're going to verify that the book is on Audible. Makes sense. I mean, don't promote a product that's not available, or don't create content to promote a product or to solve a problem for someone if the product's not available for the affiliate program that you're a member of. But here we're going to create a 2,000 word summary for the book, The Subtle Art of Not Giving by Mark Manson. So here we'll pop over to Google real quick and we'll just Google The Subtle Art of Not Giving an F summary. Everyone knows what the F word we're talking about here is. And you can see here that we have James Clear. I just want to show you, when I search for this, the idea and the concept here in this video is to create this summary. And I'm going to skip ahead a little bit here. And I want to highlight here that this is the summary for the book on medium.com.
Head over to medium.com. Now, if you watched any of my previous videos, you know I like medium.com a lot.
And I'm with him. I like medium.com a lot. And I'm saying this is not a terrible idea, but there's a better way to spend your time. Starting off on Medium, first and foremost, understand that Medium is a platform for writers. So if you are going to be a writer, then this is something that you should definitely do. And why do I say that? Because let's go look at the biggest authors on medium.com. Here are some of the top writers on medium.com. Again, top writers. Tim Denning. We'll go ahead and we'll Google Tim Denning because I'm not even going to lie. I don't know who Tim Denning is, but he is the biggest writer on Medium. Tim Denning is a prolific personal development writer online today. Or it says here he is the most prolific personal development writer online. He has his own blog. If you Google his name, you see his blog. If you scroll down, you see his LinkedIn account and you also see his Medium account. If you go to Medium, you'll see that he is a book author. So he is using Medium, or he's utilizing Medium to bolster or to boost his authority, his credibility. It's just like any content creator out there that you see. You create content here on YouTube. You have your own blog, and that's what I want to talk about here in a second. If you're going to spend your own time, do like Tim Denning. If you Google Tim Denning, who is the #1 writer on Medium, you see that he has his own blog, and he is the most prolific personal development writer online today. That means that he has developed and he has taken it serious, the art of being a writer. So he is utilizing Medium, which is a platform for writers. This idea that you're going to hack very quickly, you're going to come up with, I think it said free money or $1,000 a day in that video. The idea or concept that you think you're going to hack medium.com by posting these book summaries of these top books in any niche, they already exist on medium.com. There are already people out there in those niches with websites that are writing these summaries that are going to outrank you on medium.com, especially if you're just taking the ChatGPT text and paste it into medium.com. Now, like I said, this is not a terrible idea because he does give you a little more advice.
A site called quillbot.com. It's a paraphrasing tool that we can use to make the AI generated article more unique in the eyes of Google. So make sure you are using this tool right here on the left side called Paraphraser.
Like I said, here he is giving you a little bit more advice to go to Quillbot and use the Paraphraser. But again, at the end of the day, you are taking the content from ChatGPT. The top 10 books in any niche are already going to be covered. They're already going to be covered. Now, that doesn't mean that you can't create content and you can't find a gap in that content, but just getting a summary from ChatGPT and then putting it through the Paraphraser through Quillbot and then going and trying to build a better article on Medium. If you're going to spend that kind of time to beat or to win out the ranking that already exists on Google from the most popular writer or the most popular article on that subject on Medium, then let me tell you something. You might as well spend the time to dive into that niche, figure out what the problem is that people are trying to solve in that niche, and then spend your time to solve it here on YouTube or create your own blog. Also, before we go on, I want to show you the Medium rules, and I want you to understand that while they don't have a rule against affiliate links, because you can see right here, it must be disclosed in your article. And the idea and the concept here is just like here on YouTube, at any time or any other social media platform or any third-party platform out there that you're trying to build a business on, if you spend all your time just posting articles on Medium and you put your article up and you fill it full of affiliate links and then they decide that they're no longer going to support that platform, or they're no longer going to allow you to use affiliate links on their platform, or the simple fact of the matter is that to get approved to the Amazon affiliates program or to be an Amazon associate and to promote these Audible links, like you saw here in this video, you have to have a credible website. You have to have your own website or your own social media following. They're not going to approve you taking a look at your summarized books over at medium.com. That doesn't make you an authority. That is not what they're looking for. That is not the type of website, or that is not the type of creator they want to partner with within the Amazon Associates program. Let's just be realistic for a few minutes here in this video and understand a better strategy is to actually create your own content, helpful content. Am I saying not to create book summaries and not to post on Medium? That is not what I'm saying at all. I'm saying spend your time creating your own blog, your own YouTube channel, build your own authority, get approved to the Amazon Associates program based upon the work that is required by putting in that time and effort to build your own blog. And then, like I said, if you want to write summaries and you want to use ChatGPT and Quillbot, I don't have a problem with ChatGPT or Quillbot. I have a problem with this concept of this idea of the thumbnail and free money and thinking that this is going to be a hack that you see on YouTube and you're going to be like, I'm going to make $1,000 a day. You're not even going to make $100 a day. Most likely, you're not even going to make $1 a day. Speaking of making money on Medium, you can make money on Medium as a writer, but also understand that the top writers on Medium make $5,000 to $10,000 or $5,000 to $30,000 a month. So this list of top writers here that you see here in this list, to include Tim Denning, who is the most prolific self-development blogger in the world, he is probably making somewhere between $5,000 to $30,000 a month. But understand, around 94% of writers earn under $100 a month. Now, of course, that is from being paid by Medium to write on their platform, but also understand that if they're getting paid, then they're going all in and they are writing articles and going in depth on an article to an extent that you need to go into, especially to be one of the top paid writers on Medium, but also to rank on Google. So thinking that you're going to hack your way to $1,000 a day or $100 a day or even $1 a day, or to get any kind of actual significant amount of clicks on a link over to your Amazon Associates account or the offer that you're promoting as an Amazon Associate, even if you were to get approved, which you're not using this strategy, to get approved to that, you actually have to build out a site and or you have to build out a social media following.
When you're ready, all you have to do is hit publish now, or you can obviously schedule it for later. So the key takeaway is actually to use Quillbot to paraphrase every section of the article so you really make the article unique. And then all you have to do is build it out on Medium, use some nice looking images, and insert your affiliate link a couple of times throughout the whole article.
Will this strategy actually get your affiliate links out there? Yes, they will. Will this strategy get you approved to the Amazon Associates program if you're not already approved? No. Having a Medium account and creating summaries using ChatGPT, making them better with Quillbot, again, I don't have a problem with ChatGPT or Quillbot. Both very powerful tools in the realm of content creation. And that's what we're trying to do here. We're trying to be entrepreneurs. We're trying to be marketers. We're trying to be marketers that are going out finding solutions to help people. And then we're trying to create content. And we're trying to put content wherever we can put the content to get it found. What's the next step? The next step is to understand that you need to be focused on an actual strategy that is going to not waste your time, or to put it in a better way, not to waste your time. We all have the same amount of time. We all have a limited amount of time. So we want to make sure that we're following a solid strategy to build a profitable online business, or to build the foundations of a profitable online business. And in my opinion, the best place to do that is right here on YouTube. Again, YouTube has issues, just like Medium does, because we don't own it, but the skills that you will develop over the time well spent learning how to create content, original content, and communicate here with a following on YouTube is priceless. And if you'd like to see exactly how I do that and how you can get started right now today, check out the video you see on the screen. Click that, check out my top strategy. I look forward to seeing you in that video, and I'll talk to you then. Bye.